So children, in this video we are going to learn how to identify settlement patterns. And there are three types of settlement patterns only that you are identifying: nucleated, scattered and linear. Now nucleated or clustered, as the name tells you, all the red squares of the huts are going to be very close and dense, where there may be even some red big colored patches of random shapes. All of these, when they are very close to each other, we call it a nucleated pattern. So lots of red squares, small individual huts or bigger ones are all clustered together. This becomes nucleated or clustered. Whereas when you see just single red squares of your permanent huts or even the temporary huts, but they are just three or four and they are very far apart from each other, in this kind of a pattern, we call it a scattered or a dispersed pattern. Linear pattern, children, is when you have a single red line that is a car track, or maybe there is a metal road, any type of road. It can be single line or a double red line. And then you see that the huts are arranged in a line like you have in the cities. But since we are not looking at cities in our map, but we are definitely looking at places where there are roads. So normally it's a line on either side, or it can just be on single side, but it has to be along a road. It can also be along a stream or a river. That means the seasonal black line is there of a stream, and then there are few huts which are seen on the side of the stream. Then also we can call it a linear pattern. Now you can see in this map of 45D7 the best example that we have of a linear pattern. As you can see closely, the name of the settlement is Akali or Akoli something. It's the A or O is not very clear. And you can see that there is a red line of the car track here and here. And all along the car track on both the sides of it, the red squares of the huts are arranged. And this is the best example that you can see of a linear pattern. Here you can see the clustered or nucleated settlement. Even this is a clustered or a nucleated settlement, children. Whereas over here there are just 3-4 huts, but they are along the cart track, and so this will be a linear pattern. If you see in this square over here, this entire square, there are just 1, 2, 3, 4 huts, and this is your example of a scattered settlement. This also you can see is scattered settlement. Had these been closer to the stream, the black line of the stream, I would have considered them linear, but since they are quite far away from the stream, therefore we will call it scattered. And normally, children, you are given a single square, and that single grid square is where you have to identify the pattern. So all of these are scattered. However, if I give you the name Manpuria, the settlement's name, then if you see this, though it is again a very small settlement, it is going to be a nucleated or a clustered settlement.